October 30th, 1942, Blackpool, Scotland. I've arrived at Fort Weldon Brook. About 3 weeks ago, I got a letter in the mail telling me that the man who owned this castle may have found an object under it that may have been of great interest to me. So, I packed up and left as soon as I heard. Good evening. I'm so sorry to leave you staying up in the rain. Oh, that's fine. I've had much worse than rain. Oh, I'm sure you have, Mr. Johnny Thunder. It's a pleasure to meet you. Oh, believe me, the pleasure is all mine. Oh, no. I always wanted to meet the famed adventurer Johnny Thunder. Oh, you flatter me. Well, should I help you with your bags? Oh, maybe. Yes, I have... Ugh! I travel light. Believe me, I'm used to it. Oh, very well. I'll try to lift it. I'm so sorry, this is very embarrassing. Oh no, it's fine. Oh, well. Should I show you to your room? No thanks. I'll be able to find it. Very well. Oh, and Mr. Thunder, one more thing. Yes? You may have heard the stories about this place. Ha! You mean about it being haunted? And the ghost only being able to be out at midnight? Yes, I mean about that. Well, I can assure you that no ghost or goblin can keep me away. Besides, I'm interested in what you have here. Well, I can assure you, Mr. Thunder, that none of those stories are true. They are all lies. Oh. I'm disappointed. I was hoping to meet a ghost, a goblin, or something. Oh, you were? Yes, I was. Oh well. Very well, Mr. Thunder. Good night. No, there's something you don't see every day. It's a 13th century Ming Dynasty vase. Cool.
We're standing right here, you idiot.
Oh, hello. And who might you be?
I am Lord Wisdom Rock. And these are my men.
Hi, man. How you doing? So, hello. And how long have you been here?
We've been here for 1,000 years.
But I thought this castle was only around for 400.
Get it? You're supposed to do the math.
I'm sorry, but I don't even have eyes or a brain. Do you know how hard it is to do math if you don't have eyes or a brain? It's very difficult.
Oh, that's that corrected. Oh, 400 years. We will cast forever roam the empty halls of this castle until we scared someone
Oh. Why aren't you scared? Oh. I don't get scared.
You don't get scared!
No.
You don't get scared.
No.
You don't get scared.
Still no.
No. Well, if we can scare you, we can kill you.
Oh, you wouldn't be wanting to do that. Yes, we very much would. We kind of hate you. Oh.
Get him, boys!
Oh, stupid parrot. Oh.
Now it's time to meet your doom!
No, believe it or not, this is my first encounter with the supernatural being.
It isn't.
No. Well, that's quite a long story, and I doubt you good gentlemen and skeletons would like to be here all night. Well, we really don't care, and we've never really got a good story, so we might as well go ahead and tell it. All right. Well, about 3 years ago, me, my uncle, and a reporter set out to Egypt on an adventure. Now, little did we know, but... And that is a story of the Regal Ruby.
Well, that's a very nice story, but I'm afraid we are still going to have to kill you.
Well, gentlemen, I'm afraid you've forgotten one very, very important thing.
And what might that be?
I'm Johnny Thunder. 1 o'clock, gentlemen. Good night.
Reflectors!